Hello and welcome to our video on cybersecurity tips and best practices. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the best ways to protect your online accounts and devices from cyber threats. Tip 1. Use strong and unique passwords. Our first tip is to use strong and unique passwords for all your online accounts. This means using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoiding common phrases or personal information. It's also important to use a different password for each account, so that if one account is compromised, the others remain secure. Tip 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Our second tip is to enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts that offer it. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code or token in addition to your password. This way, even if someone steals your password, they won't be able to access your account without the second factor. Tip 3. Keep your software up to date. Our third tip is to keep your software up to date. This includes your operating system, web browser, and any other applications you use. Updates often include security patches that fix known vulnerabilities, so it's important to install them as soon as they become available. Tip 4. Be cautious of suspicious emails and links. Our fourth tip is to be cautious of suspicious emails and links. Phishing emails and links are a common way for attackers to gain access to your accounts or install malware on your device. Always be wary of emails or links that ask for personal information or seem too good to be true. Tip 5. Use a VPN. Our fifth and final tip is to use a virtual private network, VPN, when connecting to public Wi-Fi or when accessing sensitive information. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, making it more difficult for attackers to intercept your data. That's it for our video on cybersecurity tips and best practices. By following these tips, you can help protect yourself from cyber threats and keep your online accounts and devices secure. Thanks for watching.